Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a guest account into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. You just simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that you just need to go for into here, and then here you will get an option called other users. So if you click on other users, here you can see there is an option called add other user. If you click on add account, and then select I don't have this permission, sign in information. If you click on that, and if you just click on add a user without a Microsoft account, and now here you just need to give a username. So I will give a name called guest ACC. I'm going to copy it because it will need it next time. So click next and don't give any password. Okay. So now what you need to do, you just need to simply come over into search option and going to search for computer management, and here we'll get your computer management. If you click on that, there will be a new window that pops up over here, you can see. So now you just need to select this computer management, and we're going to open the system tools and going to click on local users and groups. If you click on that, you just simply select the users, and then here you will find the option called guest ACC, and go for the properties and then go for member of and click on add. And from here you just need to give the copy name you copied from the guest from that user account, and then you just simply click on OK, and that will open up your guest account for your Windows. So this is how you can create a guest account in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.